funny.
Oh my goodness, that's disgusting.
That's why we're not supposed to flush paper towels and stuff.
Happy birthday to
Oh, and there's
you.
a cloth.
A cloth? What kind of cloth?
Like a rag or something. I think, or maybe a piece of food, like a big piece of like orange peel or banana peel or something. See that?
Oh, somebody's put banana peel down there.
Something like that. Oh, what's that? Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. It just went flying. There was a big piece of. It looked. It was white, like styrofoam, or it was probably paper towel. See all the water coming through now?
Yeah.
Woo! Stinky. It's a good thing I did this, because it would have backed up again. Here, you want this?
No! Gross.
Yes, good. All right. Woo!
I hope that's not an omen for the 2021.